What's up, guys? Hello and welcome to S&E's Garage. Today we're actually in my garage. I haven't made a video in like a month or so because we just moved into a new home. It's been completely hectic. But a part of this video is going to be about basically a guide to get your car into the garage just the right amount so that you can shut your door but still have enough of a walkway here. So I went ahead and I made a set of these. I basically used a tennis ball, some strings, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a molly to go up into the sheetrock. So I have some stuff here. I'm basically going to show you how I made it. We got our tennis ball here. We got an X-Acto knife. We got a Phillips head screwdriver. We got our molly, our screw, and we have our hammer right here. The hammer, the only thing you need the hammer for is to screw the molly, or the screw. Tap the molly into the sheetrock. So I'm just gonna go over how I made this real quick, easy, simple. You could buy them at Home Depot for like $5, but I made these. The tennis balls are $3 for the pair, and then I had string laying around, so it cost me like literally nothing to make two of these. So what I did, I'm gonna put you down here, is I took my X-Acto knife and I cut two slits into the tennis ball on the top and on the bottom. So I'm not sure, I'm gonna try to hold it like this so I'm not in the way. So you're gonna push your X-Acto knife all the way down, and you're gonna do the same thing diagonally like this. And now we're gonna flip it upside down, and we're gonna find the seam, and we're gonna do it in the same spot. Now what I did is I just took a kitchen straw, like a straw, and I stuck it in the hole that I just made, and then I kind of had to fish it around to find the other hole, like this. And now you basically have a tennis ball with a straw going through it. And you're going to use that straw to guide your string through. So you're going to put your string through the straw, like I'm doing. You'll see it come out the other end here. Okay, and now you have your string. You're going to pull your straw out, okay, and then you're going to tie a knot right at the end of your string. Boom. You now have a tennis ball that is on a string that will not come off. So what I did, I measured about 1.5 feet off of my garage door motor, and I left the string long. I left it about 2 foot longer than it needed to be, and I pulled the cars in perfectly to where I needed them to be, and then I basically just lifted the ball up on the string until it just rested on my windshield, and then I tied my knot at the bottom like you saw me do. So what this allows me to do is when I pull my car in, as soon as my windshield hits that tennis ball, I know my cars are just at the right amount in the garage that I don't need to worry about the door not clearing, and I still have plenty of room to walk down the walkway and into the house. So it's real quick, real easy. It'll take you about 20 minutes to do. Real cheap. Most of you probably have tennis balls laying around. You don't even have to go buy them like I did. I just had to buy them because I just moved into the house. And what's great about this is you don't need to screw those screws into a floor joist or a piece of wood. You can just drill a little hole in the sheetrock, tap the molly in, screw your screw in, and you're done. Real quick, real easy, real simple. Hope it works out for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.